Majority of them still use Facebook to help you connect with people who want roommates. My roommates were pretty cool. I spent a year with them before I moved into graduate housing, which is another excellent place to move into if you have that opportunity. If you want a room to yourself, you would be looking at spending, $1,400, $1,300 easy. Figuring out shopping, figuring out groceries, figuring out how to manage the kitchen. I know a lot of people, especially in India, don't really get into the nitty gritty of managing your kitchen, managing cleaning the apartment, taking out the trash. So there's a lot of that you just gotta be on your toes about. And you know, um, catching on to that fast is really important. That actually introduces you to the various kind of research that's going on in the department. And so that gives you a good starting point on, finding out areas of interest that you might have or might want to pursue. And then you can probably go and have a further conversation with them on their research and their lab. You will also, in most cases, be assigned like a person, a mentor, so you can, sort of, who will guide you through the initial process of getting into the university. So all kind of questions that you'll have about university life. The software engineering department had definitely under 100 students. 70% probably are international, if not more. 60%, maybe more. And then you'd find a smaller group with absolutely no work experience. So I had a kitchen that I would manage. I'd buy, my meat. I'd buy my vegetables, put them in the fridge. On Sundays and Wednesdays, I would cook like a large amount of food for the next few days and then refrigerate it. Our networking should be strong with your cohorts. Do networking with the right professors. Having a good connection with professors, is great, because then you can always maybe work with them, get into their research lab, or even just get guidance from them. Networking with the admin of the department and getting things like TAs, getting a lot of things done. Having friends in the right places is always a good thing. That'll have, things like basketball, swimming, soccer, you name it. It'll have every sport that you can think of. If you're in Southern California, I personally enjoyed surfing a lot. I would say, $500-$600, is a good investment. Get a bike, and you're mobile. You can go anywhere on a bike. The roads are, made for bikers. There's actually a bike lane. One is, if you can get university housing, there's nothing like it. Put that as priority one. Rank 2 would be Tuscany. There's Park West. It's the cheapest one. A realistic estimate would be about, I'd say about 1,300-1,400.